Top 5 Best Portable Workbench for Heavy Duty. Number 5. OmniTable Disston 30146A OmniTable 4-in-1 Portable Workbench. The Disston 30146A OmniTable offers the ultimate multi-purpose solution for professionals and home users alike. This 4-in-1 workbench functions as a work table, scaffold, dolly, and floor creeper, handling a variety of tasks with ease. The work surface, which measures 37.5 by 18.3 inch, is sturdy enough to support up to 500 pounds, making it perfect for larger projects like woodworking or automotive repairs. What makes this bench even more appealing is its built-in features, which include a 110-volt power strip, ruler and protractor, drill hole, steel hammer surface, and storage for small accessories like screws and nails. The adjustable legs can be extended or collapsed to accommodate different working heights. Despite being durable and strong, this workbench is incredibly lightweight, weighing only 32 pounds, so it's easy to transport between job sites or store in a garage. As an added bonus, the workbench comes with a blue mole carbon and HSS jigsaw blades set for a wide range of material cutting tasks, from wood to metal. Coming in number 4, WORKESS Portable Workbench in Sawhorse. This WORKESS workbench is all about stability and comfort. Built for those who need reliability on the job, its heavy-duty steel structure can handle up to 440 pounds as a workbench and 1,000 pounds as a sawhorse. The reinforced aluminum legs and wide non-slip footpads ensure that this bench stays stable, even when you're leaning on it for detailed work. It's equipped with a clamping system that includes 2 quick clamps, 2 bench dogs, and folding swivel handles to hold materials of various shapes securely. The integrated tool trays and built-in scales make it easy to organize your tools and materials, helping you work more efficiently. The workbench is height adjustable, from 21.5 inches to 32.5 inches, which means you can reduce back strain by setting it to a comfortable working height. The lightweight design and portable handle make it easy to transport to different job sites, and it folds into a compact unit for storage, making this workbench a convenient and powerful tool for woodworking enthusiasts. Coming in number 3, TLGreen Multifunctional Folding Worktable. The TLGreen Multifunctional Folding Worktable stands out for its 7-in-1 functionality, making it a versatile tool for many different tasks. It serves as a workbench, sawhorse, scaffold, platform, car creeper, dolly, and hand truck, all in one. This workbench can support up to 330 pounds, making it suitable for moderate to heavy-duty jobs, while its compact and portable design makes it incredibly user-friendly. The heavy-duty aluminum legs and durable steel frames offer great stability and load-bearing capacity, while the height adjustability allows it to function at different levels. Whether you need it as a scaffold at 20.5 inches or a workbench at 31.5 inches, this worktable can adapt to your project requirements. It also includes 4 heavy-duty wheels, making it easy to move around when used in dolly or hand truck mode. Additionally, the plastic tabletop is easy to clean, adding another layer of convenience. Coming in number 2, Pony Portable Folding Worktable. The Pony Portable Folding Worktable is an excellent choice for versatility. It functions as both a workbench and a sawhorse, which makes it a go-to solution for various work scenarios. Its lightweight but strong design is reinforced by an aluminum leg frame, supporting up to 500 pounds in workbench mode and 1,000 pounds when used as a sawhorse. One of its standout features is the adjustable height, allowing you to set it to 6 different heights, ranging from 30 to 35 inch, making it adaptable to your working needs, whether you're in the garage or on uneven terrain like lawns or gardens. The workbench includes a range of accessories, such as easy-hold bar clamps and bench dogs, enhancing the bench's flexibility for any kind of project. When it comes to portability, the table folds flat, allowing you to store it easily in the car, garage, or a storage room. It's a great portable option with an easy setup and breakdown process. Coming in number 1, Ker Folding Worktable Heavy-Duty Portable Workbench. The Keter Folding Worktable offers an instant setup that allows you to start working in just 30 seconds without needing any assembly. It provides a generous workspace, capable of supporting up to 1,000 pounds, making it an excellent choice for handling heavy-duty tasks. The 12-inch clamps, which can be mounted both horizontally and vertically, secure materials in place, so you can focus on your job. Whether you're sawing, assembling, or doing carpentry, its versatile design accommodates a wide range of tools and activities. The weather-resistant polypropylene and aluminum legs make it durable and resistant to rust, peeling, or denting. ensuring it performs well in any environment. Keter's commitment to quality shines through with this model, delivering a reliable, easily transportable workbench that's perfect for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike.